Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. Ale nganya peit ya kane ka Jinghikai. Kane ka Jinghikai nga wanra shapi. Ka Jinghikai banang kren phareng. Peit ya kane ka video kan iarap ya pi. Lada pia sneu chung mentoy na kane ka video. Wanam glad ban share lem shaki perlok lane haying hasem jang pi. Wanam glad ro ban like, share and subscribe. Ale nganya peit ya kane ka Jinghikai. We are the slave in our own land. Kasi Ngi Long mraw hala jongkari. Why I said like that? Kasi balay nga ong kumta. Because I have seen. Kasi namar nga layoi. But one things we will fight over right. Kasi tang kaway ngi ham ban yale ya kahok jongi. Every community have the right to protect their own people. Kasi kano kajaj banreu kadon kahok ban yada yala kijong kibriu. As you have seen. Kasi kumba pi layoi. Most of you have seen what happening in our state. Kasi bon na padeng jong pi la yoi ya ka ei balajia ha ka chula jongi. When people demand their own right. Kasi haba kibriu kidawa yala kajong kahok. No one listen the voice of the people. Kasi omdan mano bas ngam ya kasur jong upay ba. Be patient but never give up. Kasi ya siya tang ba what kan randin. Remember in your prayers. Kasi kan maulam ha ka jing ruai jong pi. Prayer is the best medicine. Kasi ka jing ruai ka long ka dawai ba. If the truth shall kill them, let them die. Kasi lada ka jing shisha ka panyab yaki the I can yap. We need a leader who speak the truth. Kasi ngi don kam ya kinong yalam kibakren ya ka jing shisha. We need a leader who love the people. Kasi ngi don kam ya kinong yalam kiba I yaki pajba. A leader is one who know the way, goes the way and shows the way. Kasi kinong yalam kidei kito kibatip ya kalenti kibayay ya kata kalenti but kiba pan-i yaka lenti. Alone I can do it. Kasi marway ngamla le. What we need is unity. Kasi ka ei ka ba ton kam ka long ka jing ya tali. I call for unity. Kasi nga khot ya kaching ya tali. Unity is the power, strength. Kasi kaching ya tali kalong kabor. Let support our people. Kasi tongin kershan ya kibriu jongi. Like we support others. Kasi kumbangi kershan ya kiway. Your support will inspire them. Kasi kajing kershan jongpi kan ai mensin yaki. Education is very important. Kasi kajing nang jing start kalong kabadon kam. Winner are those who never give up. Kasi kiba job day kito kibumju kan randin. Thank you for your love and support. Kasi kublai shibon ya kajing e but jing kershan jongpi. I'm very grateful to you. Kasi nga das ngungu palat yapi. Don't try to convince people. Kasi what persyang ban penbor ya kipriu. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Bye.